Want to know how to share or type in your location in Lovable AI? So if you want to update your personal information and show where you are based from, this video is for you, where I will be showing you how you can set location in Lovable. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your lovable.dev on your website, and here you should be provided with this interface right here. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your name. So if you don't, we have once created a video on login, so make sure to watch how to log into Lovable. So once you've selected your profile, just simply hit watch settings right here. And now once you've selected settings, here you should be seeing your name on your account. So you can just simply select it. And now once you scroll down, you should be seeing location that should be right below description. So you can just simply select location right here and then type in anywhere that you want. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.